Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening a slime package, which I already opened because I ordered more than just one thing, so I didn't know what to, yeah, just whatever. Anyways, let's move on. Okay. Anyways, we have that stuff in there. Have a little pack. I guess it has borax and stuff in it, but we already have activated. Let's take out the slimes, I guess. Hold on. Okay, there's only one. Did I drop one? Oh, I did. So we have this one. That's creamsicle. I don't know why it doesn't. Oh, it's leaking just a little bit. Okay. Whoa. Just dropped this. Berry Blast, okay. We have two slimes, okay. Two slimes and then a little borax package with like candy, little things. This is supposed to be Easter one, but I don't see any Easter stuff. So let's see what we got in the bag. Sorry guys, I was trying to open it. Have that. We have those. Oh, okay. We have a little Easter bunny eraser. Okay, so that's one thing. We have little jewels or something like that. Okay. I don't know what these are called, but you put them in slime. Then I got let's see what this says first. Oh, we got hair ties, I guess. I don't know what that's for though, just probably to give it color. And we have rainbow chewies, fruit flavors, magic colors. I guess it's those down there. Anyways, the last two things was, oops, I just dropped it, was that and some borax, a little borax package. Okay, and then the little bag, but we don't need that anymore. Let's see what it says. It's just slime care instructions. So, yeah. Anyways, I do like the stuff, so I'm grading this anyways. And I also brought borax. Activator, I'm stupid. Okay, so this is the Berry Blast that I got. Okay. Okay, let's take it out. Let's see. Ooh, it's scented very, like, it's super berry scented. It's like strawberry maybe. It's super good. I'm gonna super stretchy. Oh, that's dirt because I was outside. Wow. Anyways, stripping. Okay. It's a little hard. It's like tough a little bit. Not hard, but it's a little tough. I love the scent, so I'm gonna give. So far, it's a 8 out of 10. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10 because it overall, it was just a little tough, and I think it was a little too strong of a scent, but overall I kind of liked the scent, but I'm not trying to be rude or anything. It was just a little too strong. Okay, now now is Creamsicle. I think this one has foam beads in it. Yep, it does. Let's take it out. Oops, oh my gosh. Yep, it definitely has foam beads. I think this is a little sticky, so I'm going to pour some activator. Maybe that was a little too much. Yep, now it isn't, so use this hand. Ooh, it's super glossy. It's stretchy. I love she actually put a lot, just the right amount of foam beads. I like it because it isn't too hard to stretch, because if you put a lot of foam beads, it will not stretch. It stretches a lot, okay? Not so bad. It's clicky. I think there's nothing wrong. What is it scent? Ooh, it smells like Dreamsicle popsicles or ice cream, whatever it is. Okay. This is a super good slime. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10 just because it has a good scent. It's not too strong like the berry blast was. So that's that. Hold on. Okay. Let's look at the stuff that we got again. I don't know why she would give us she gave us a little butterfly. Well, she gave us a little butterfly. So yeah. Bye guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Bye!